Hey my GG beauties, I know it's been a minute. I know. Tell me about it. I miss y'all too. I hope y'all miss me. So I just wanted to bring y'all a real quick, simple makeup look with this hair. If y'all have not checked out the video on this hair, you need to. I will link it down in the description bar so you guys can head over and see how I got this blonde wig to look like this with the ash blonde highlights. So you guys can head over and see how I bleached this wig and dyed it and styled it and all that other fun stuff. So, but I just want to bring y'all another look with this wig. And y'all, I'm really loving this look. I kind of try to do it like a burgundy eyeshadow look to match my shirt because my shoes, my shoes and my shirt are burgundy. So I try to, coordinate with my eyeshadow, But I'm really feeling this look, y'all. If y'all head over to my Instagram, y'all gonna see pictures of this outfit. I'm kind of giving off a 90s vibe, big hoop earrings and this like gold rope chain. So yes, and these overalls, baby, is giving me 90s vibe. Yes, or 80s, maybe give you the 80s or 90s vibe, whatever in that era. Right around in that era, but yes, it's giving me that vibe. So I don't want to ramble too much. I really want you guys to check out this look. So if you guys are interested in how I created this look, stay tuned and keep on watching, and I'll see you guys on the outro. I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Soft Glam palette. So it's either gonna be this furry or this bronze I'm gonna go in with. So I'll probably do like a bronze just to brighten that up. Pat that on there until we're ready to blend the shimmer on top. So we're just gonna pat that in like so. Take this brush, this like little fluffy brush, and we're just gonna blend it out. Put on today, it's like a burgundy, so like I'm just trying to give that burgundy effect, So I just went in just to give it that burgundy effect. I went in with this mulberry. First I put it on sienna, and then after I put on sienna, I blended it out with this brush. Then after I blended it out, I went in with the mulberry color and just like putting it inside the crease. So we're gonna go in with this rose pink, and we just gonna put it on our lid like so. Dip it back into that mulberry and then blend this shimmer out. highlight coat. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are the Kiss in the wispy style, but I'm going to be using these. Don't mind my nail missing, please don't come for me and my nail. But these are the ones I'm going to be using today. So like I said, we're going to go in with this here. Dab that up right there, dab that boy right there, dab that boy right there. But I'm gonna go with this CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous CoverGirl foundation in the color 315. Yas. So we just gonna take this and we're just gonna squirt it, squirt, squirt. So man, this sponge just soaked up all that foundation. So I guess that's the reason why some people use a brush first. Now for highlight, we're gonna go back in with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. And we're just gonna highlight. Take my Airspun setting powder, translucent powder really, and we're just gonna set under the eyes. I don't never bake because I'm too goddamn oily. Well, I should bake because I am oily, but I don't have time for that. Alright, y'all, I'm almost done. I know it says this is gonna be simple, but you know, nothing in life is simple. I wanted to try to make this, you know, real simple. I'm gonna go in with this Damn Pro Glow Kit from Paris Hilton, and I hope that it's good, because this is my first time doing it, or this is my first time trying it out, so I hope it's what it is, basically, if that's what I'm trying to say. And I don't know what I did with my highlighting brush, so I gotta use this thing, and I think I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna go in with Santan. I don't want to go in with the gold and bronze because I don't want it to be too, you know, dusted off a little bit. Ooh. Not bad, Paris. know this ain't the brush I'm supposed to be using because I don't know where my other brush is. People just be touching my stuff. Sorry, I'm trying to blend this out. Like, Lord. Told y'all I didn't want too much of that shit on my damn cheekbone. I always tend to put too much on myself. It's like, it ain't enough. So keep adding. Have y'all seen that one dude video where he was talking about how women, how they apply their highlighting or their whatever? And he said we be out here looking like them little glow worms. That video was fucking funny. Alright guys, so you guys see how I created this look here. It wasn't too hard. It was just something real simple, easy. Wow. So yeah, I just wanted to get a video out to y'all because I haven't posted a video in a long time. And so I'm like, I really need to get on my stuff. So yeah, so here I am bringing y'all a video. Yeah. And also, you guys are going to see another video. It's going to be more about me and not about hair, makeup, or fashion or anything like that. It's going to be more about me. So if you guys are interested in that video, make sure you hit that notification bell down there and turn on your notifications so you won't miss an upload from moi. And also guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one.